Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today I'm going to be doing a two-part video, okay? So we're going to be doing a two-part hair video, and so in the first part, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my Bodywave U part in under 5 minutes. So I got two gorgeous wigs from Nadula hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I install and style this one in part 2 of this video, but right here in part 1, I wanted to show you guys how I install and blend my hair with this. Yeah, I didn't have to do really any other styling. The wig came like this in the box, you guys. Like, it came styled like this. This is the luster of it, natural color of it. And yeah, you guys, I wanted to show you how you can, you know, put on your U part and go. You don't have to do a whole lot of extra styling to it. I definitely want to give you simple hair solutions. I'm a mommy, like I have to get out the door. Like I need to look cute fast, okay? So if you guys want to see how I installed this hair, keep on watching. Hey everybody, hopefully you can hear me really good. I just got a new microphone. I'm praying it's not too loud. Hopefully it sounds nice and crisp. This year I really want to upgrade my microphone to make sure you guys aren't hearing my camera lens and all of that good stuff. So it's nice, clean audio. I also got new lighting and I really like it. I think it looks nice and crisp, not too bright. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing like a two-part video. This is going to be part 1. This is going to be a hair video. So I'm going to be doing a review for these two units. So this is a V-part unit. As you guys can see, it is so cute. This is the texture right here. And this hair does come in a natural 1B type of color. This is the inside of your unit right here. It comes with your combs right here on the sides. It also has an adjustable strap in the bottom. And at the top, we have clips. This would be considered a U part or a V part, whatever you want to call it. This one does have that invisible type of look at the top. I do like these sort of V part slash U part because it comes with that little lace around the top and it's really easy to blend. Like you can wear this with either no hair out or you can wear it with hair out. We're just gonna prep our hair. And you guys, I did cut my hair. So unfortunately, we're back short again. Yeah, but for this side part, I'm just gonna leave a little bit of hair out. Not too much because this is made so you don't have to use a lot of leave out, okay? I think I'm gonna leave it like right here. And literally, you guys, this is like all the hair you need out. Like you literally need a little slither of your hair out. And the rest of my hair, I'm just gonna put it back like this. And put it in a nice low ponytail. And I love these V parts as well because you don't have to, you know, you guys, you don't have to braid your hair. It's like a really quick little style. What I'm gonna do is just adjust the adjustable straps. Now all I'm gonna do is go ahead and put the cap on my head. It's really simple. And just make sure I keep smoothing down my hair. I'm opening up my clips because those are coming. So I'm just gonna clip her here. And then we're gonna clip this one here. I'm just gonna use the combs to like get it into place. But yeah, I love this because like I said, you literally don't have to have your hair braided, which is amazing. Okay, guys, so honestly, it's that simple to put the unit on. It basically takes no work and it's nice and secure. And that's like all of the hair I needed out to blend. So I'm just gonna clean up my part. And my scalp is a little bit dry, you guys. When your hair has some flake like that and you have to like put heat to it, it's best to go ahead and use the heat and then just go back and add some oil. Because you don't want to do oil then heat because you'll be frying your hair. So yeah, now I'm just gonna, can you guys hear me? I hope. I'm just talking away, hoping this microphone is on. So I'm just gonna apply some heat with my really thin flat irons. Just to get the initial blend done. And it's such, you guys, it's such a little amount of hair. Like, it just blends right in, you guys. It's crazy. Honestly, you shouldn't need a lot of hair out. That's the whole purpose of these units. And I really love it, you guys. I really, really love it. Like, I have somewhere to go today, and I'm able to create a quick look without having to take so much time on my hair, you guys, because I really spend a lot of time doing my hair. But as I get older, I'm a mom and stuff now, it's becoming more of a hassle to mess with my hair all the time. So any like quick options, I love them. You don't even have to worry about too much blend and too much style. I am gonna take my crimper and just crimp my natural hair. So the crimper I'm using is my ion crimper. And I really love this crimper, you guys. I've had it a minute. I bought it years ago when I seen Arrogant Tay say it was his staple crimper. So let me just apply some of these Mael Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. I really need something on my scalp because, as you guys can see, it's like, it's dry. And that's not even like dandruff. It's just dry. Ever since having COVID, my hair has been so dry. And I'm just like, why is my hair doing this to me? Like, why is it behaving like this? Not sure what's going on with it. My scalp has been dry. My hair is always oily and my scalp is always dry. Yeah, so having this jet black hair, I have to always, you guys, color my extensions because as you guys can see, the colors are totally different between my natural hair and the unit. I think my crimpers are hot. I'm just gonna crimp it really quick, you guys. Nothing crazy. We just want to blend our hair with the weave. And you can go ahead and add more crimps all over if you want. But this hair is pretty much already body waved, so I don't think I want too many crimps. I just want to make sure my hair is giving. Y'all see what I'm saying? Like, yeah. And again, you guys, I'm doing these really fast because I don't want them to be too deep set. I just want them to mimic the body wave hair. They definitely don't have to be perfect crimps, okay? So I'm loving how that's looking. It's giving me life. Okay, you guys, so I am done installing the first unit. And it is gorgeous, you guys. It is like a deep body wave texture, and I didn't do anything to these units. I just wanted to see how I could style them straight out of the box. I didn't wash them. I didn't wash it. I didn't color it. I didn't do anything. I really just wanted to see what is given straight out the box. And honestly, it looks really good. It is nice and flat, my hair underneath, and the hair is the perfect density. It's nice and soft. So again, you guys, if you're interested in this unit, I will have it linked below, everything I used in today's video. I know it was really simple to install this. It was a simple, quick video. Honestly, you guys, sometimes that's how doing your hair is. That's how wearing some units is. Sometimes it is very simple and not complicated and straight to the point. I actually really like this. I've been giving my hair like a nice break, but I think I'm ready to go back to my lace fronts. I'm not too sure, but for the meantime, I'm definitely enjoying these U-parts. Make sure you guys stay tuned for part 2 of the video. I am going to be doing a curly unit. And I'm gonna go co-wash it, and you guys are gonna see exactly how it looks. And I'm gonna blend my natural hair with it, and I think you guys are really gonna like this one. I think it's gonna look super cute. So definitely stay tuned for that. Also, let me know in the comments below if you like my new mic, if it sounds nice and clear. Also, let me know if you've tried one of these V part U parts. I really want to know and hear you guys' feedback. And thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to thumb me up, comment below, and subscribe. And I will talk to you in the next one.